Here we are, the official, successful, no longer maiden, but successful voyage of the Octocopter. This time flying with altitude lock and position lock enabled. Therefore, if we don't do anything, it's going to hover using GPS and an altimeter to hold it at its present altitude, more or less. Looks like it's about plus or minus maybe a meter or something like that. And it will hold at altitude and position once it locks into place. And this is what we're going to use to do a photogrammetric survey of Magnesia. Yeah.
So I can easily see you doing the photos, no problem.
It's the Steadicam already. So when it moves, it's because Microkopter is moving it. Like this, nicking left and right.
Is that right? That dangling receiver does kind of it's a bit unnerving. I just noticed that.
Yeah.
We'll have to figure out a way to do that.
A nice, simple, calm test flight. And up to this point, a complete success. So it's flying now at about 15 feet. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. And one battery gives us how many minutes, do you think?
The one set will give us 35 of that.
One set, yeah.
About 35. I think it varies on how much I move it.
Right. Looks great in the blue sky.
And I think it's a good sensitivity on the controls. It's not too sensitive, but it reacts fairly quickly, which is good.
Yeah, and I can see you're nicking it around. So long as the electronics hold, this thing gives you pretty much 100% confidence.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, yeah, as long as nothing goes awry that we can't control.
It's completely still today.
Yeah.
It'll be worth taking it out.
When
some heavy winds.
We'll have to take it out. And if we do that, I'd rather do it like in an open field.
Yeah. Well, we'll see how it responds. I think we'll learn a lot from it.
It's pretty amazing how quickly it stabilizes and just kind of sits there. And actually, the flight is pretty smooth too. I mean, it's not like
actually.
And that twitching I can take out a little bit if we find it's a problem. I don't think right now it is.
What's the twitching?
You notice how when I first steer it, it has a kind of a sometimes that time it's fine. See how sometimes it bounces back like that?
Mm-hmm.
You can take that out if we find that it's too. But right now I think it's not bad.
Okay. Kill this.